Hello, this video will give you a brief overview of the ESL Lab services and of ESL Station, which is the website where you can find many of our resources. So the ESL Lab is here to support what you're learning in your classes. So we have tutoring, we have computers that you can use and computer programs to practice the skills you learn in your classes. And we also have workshops. This page, the ESL Station page, if you Google ESL Station or eslstation.net, you will get here. And we also have links to this page on our ESL page on the SJCC website. But here, we have information, for example, on the types of services we offer, on our team. So those of us who work in the ESL lab, the tutors, the instructors who are available to help you, and we have links to resources. You can either scroll down on this page to see all of those sections, or you can click on the links and go directly to that information. Okay, so I'm going to take you to the learning links, which is where you will find links to specific skills. So if you're taking a listening and speaking class, you can follow this link to the resources that are specific to your classes. And here we have the classes listed under it if you're in doubt. Okay, and you have information for reading and writing classes and career development, which supports ESL 500, 510, and 550. Okay, and aside from that, we also have timesheets. You will learn about timesheets in your classes, especially if you're taking ESL 312 and 322, you are required to fill out these timesheets. So your instructor will teach you all about this. We also have a link to my English lab, which is the program some of you will need depending on the class you're taking. Your instructor will let you know about that. And we have a link to Canvas. If you have any further questions, please contact us or contact your instructor. Thank you so much, and please utilize our services. We are here to support you.